Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the exact Windows 10 edition you own because keys are edition-specific, not universal. Once done, find that product key, check a sticker, your Microsoft account, an email receipt, or a backup from the old machine. Make sure the new PC has internet, an admin account, and you can access UEFI/BIOS if needed. These basics let you switch or enter a key cleanly. Now, move to activation steps so Windows accepts that key on the new hardware. You open Settings, go to Update and Security, and choose Activation to enter your product key. This is the direct path. If your license was a digital entitlement tied to your Microsoft account, sign in first so Windows recognizes the license automatically. If the key was embedded in firmware on the old device, check UEFI on the new machine. Sometimes OEM keys migrate or require re-entry. If activation fails, use the Activation Troubleshooter next. It explains why Windows rejects a key and guides corrective actions. You finalize activation by confirming Windows shows as activated in Settings. This completes the transfer. If it isn't activated, run the Activation Troubleshooter. It walks you through hardware change issues and can relink a digital license. If that doesn't work, use phone activation or contact Microsoft support. You'll need proof of purchase and the original key or account information. One key troubleshooting tip: if the activation fails after hardware change, sign into your Microsoft account on the PC and use the troubleshooter to select the device and reactivate.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.